Hey guys, I got a couple openings to do for you all. I'm finally back doing some openings here. I bought this Yu-Gi-Oh mystery cube at Walmart today. You get like 5 bonus packs, 5 booster packs, 20 rares, and 30 common cards, which is really freaking a good deal. So I figured I'd buy it and see what I pull. So let me get these bonus packs opened up real quick. Okay guys, the bonus packs I ain't opening on camera. I went through a lot off camera because they were literally just foreign packs and probably not worth much. I ended up getting a Starlight rare in every pack, so I think these aren't going to be worth much just because they are foreign packs. The first of the 5 booster packs is called Duelist Nexus. So we'll see what type of cards I can get out of this one. Ooh, we have a Synchron, so this set's got Synchron in it. Okay. I don't know if this set's gonna have anything I'm looking for, but you never know. The rares and Duelist Genesis. That looks like a cool card. Next up is the Battle of Legends. Not the Battle of Legends I want, the one with the Dragon Blades in it and the Gem Knights. One of these has, one of the packs is the Battle of Legends Crystal, the Crystal Revenge, which I opened up that set a lot back when I wanted to collect Yu-Gi-Oh back in the day, because I like the look of the Crystal Beasts. This whole pack's a bunch of rares. That'd be cool if I pulled a Starlight rare. That's almost a Starlight rare. That's like a semi-Starlight rare with duality. Probably not worth much, but I probably will look that up online later just to see if it is worth anything. World Survivors, I know this is a pretty recent set. I think it's not 2020. Back see what I get here. The Bookstone. I don't really know a whole lot of these monsters. Only the ones I've been trying to go for, and like the old school ones and Blue Eyes. And there's that card. That one. I think I've seen this one before. This card. Saving the Crystal Beast, the Crystal Revenge for last. set that card aside. Can we stuck now? Seriously? Crystal Beast, Amber Mammoth, there we go. I'm gonna set those two aside. And then another Fusion Destiny, but this one's a different. It's a semi-Starlight Rare. That's pretty cool. I want to make one of those fusion Crystal Beasts, not fusion, but Crystal Beast things. Oh, cool. Sorry guys, I'm trying to get this card out. Ghost Girl. I think I could be wrong, but this could be a Starlight Rare. It's like foiled all over the card. I hope I get some good ones in here. You're supposed to get like 20 rares in this whole thing, so maybe I might get stuff I'm looking for. Link Apple. Turn Trooper. Altergeist. Light Sword Sanctuary. Super Heavy Samurai Wagon. That's a nice one. Knight's End Administrator. That's a really nice looking card. That's really nice. Yeah, I gotta be careful with these third party packs though. Because I think it was the last one I opened up for you all. Because I think I bought one of these before and opened it up for you all just recently. About a month or two back. And I let my friends look through it. And I didn't realize that one of the cards that was in it was legit a fake. Because it didn't have this like little square. Because this little square lets you know that the cards are authentic. I think this is a Starlight Rare too, this Jump Giant. I might look up the value of that one and see if it's worth anything. May not be in like PSA 10 condition if it's worth anything, but... Ooh, Elemental Hero Neos. Alias. Foreman's Juggler. So far, I haven't seen any cards I'm looking for. None that my friends are looking for, I don't know. Laundry Trap. Flip Frozen. Penguin Ninja. Agent of Destruction, Venus. Mutant Mutant. Tyrant of Thunder. That's cool. That's really cool. Cyber Emergency. Darts in the Mechanical Monstrosity. That's kind of interesting. guess if you want to make an Ice Jade deck, there's a few cards in here. I think it just started. Ghost Trick Siren, I guess there's a couple in here if you want to make that. Another mutant. Ghost Trick Festival, which is a late card. There's one from my friend right there, Dinomorphia Shell. One of my friends wanted to make a Dinomorphia deck, like a dinosaur type deck. So I found like a lot of Dinomorphia cards. I think this might be one of the ones I gave him yesterday. Because I bought, the day before, I bought the MJ holding thing where it's like 5 rares and like 15 cards or something like that, or 20 cards and 5 rares, and it ended up having 2 Dinomorphia cards in it. But that's literally all I got for almost those. I didn't get anything for myself. Every time I'm looking for cards for myself, I can never find them. Like, no one's playing my decks. Like, I'm trying to play Symphonic Warrior with the Degen Symphony combo. I'm trying to play Ancient Gear, which I found a lot of those. I'm trying to play Dragon Maids, Battle and Boxer, Gem Knight. I forgot what else. Toon World. And now the Crystal Beasts. That's like seven or 8 decks. I'm trying to make a YuGiOh right now, like legit, because now that I want to do like Crystal Beast, that's like my 7th or 8th deck, and like I literally can't find any cards for a lot of the decks I've been making. And if I find Ancient Gear cards, they're ones I already have like 2 or 3 of and don't need them. So it's like, dang it. So one of these days, hopefully, I'm gonna go on TCG Player and just see if I can't get the rest of the cards I need for a couple of decks, so I can finally get a couple of decks made. Get a deck box, everything like that, and then finally have my friends. But anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed that opening. I got another opening coming up here shortly. I found some Pokemon Perfect Order packs on one or 2. I don't think the scalpers are going for those because legit they had like 3 or 4 boxes full of the booster packs, so I